You may already know Plastic in Hand for their strong reputation in reconstructive surgery, but what you may not realize is that Plastic in Hand is also a full-service cosmetic surgery and skin solutions center driven by its dynamic team of 7 plastic surgeons. Let's go meet the doctors. Dr. Vaughn, I've heard it said that it's the doctors who truly make the difference here at Plastic in Hand. What does that statement mean to you?
I think primarily it demonstrates a level of care and commitment that the physicians in this practice have shown over the last literally 30 years here in southern Maine, and that is reflected in the care that we give to our patients.
All right, well, we're standing right now in your state-of-the-art day surgery center. How has this facility added to the practice?
Well, it's been a terrific asset for the practice. Number one, the patients love it. For most patients find that it's a much more convenient, much more pleasant, much more private and quiet place to have their surgical experience. It's fully accredited. There are 2 main accrediting boards for outpatient surgery facilities. We are the only plastic surgery outpatient facility in the state of Maine that is fully accredited by both of them. We are fully licensed by the state of Maine. We are fully accredited for Medicare, so we provide the same level of accreditation and safety as any hospital-based outpatient surgical facility.
All right, well, what types of surgeries then are taking place here?
Well, a broad spectrum of primarily cosmetic surgery, all forms of cosmetic surgery ranging from facelift to cosmetic eyelid surgery, breast recontouring, breast lifts, body recontouring, liposuction. That's primarily the focus, but in addition, a broad range of hand surgeries, reconstructive surgeries, occasionally pediatric surgeries can all be done here just as safely as in any other surgical facility.
So if someone watching this is not necessarily 100% happy with their appearance, but they're not ready for surgery, what would you recommend?
Well, one of the nice things that's arisen over the last several years is the use of injectables, most commonly Botox and Juvederm, and some patients may be familiar with them. Sometimes patients may be more appropriately served by Skin Solutions, which is our in-house skin care center, and so for many patients that might be more appropriate rather than surgery.
We as plastic surgeons provide a variety of treatments here at Skin Solutions. We will provide Botox treatments, which are treatments for some of the wrinkles in the forehead and around the eyes. We provide Juvederm filler treatments for some of the deeper lines in the facial area. And then our estheticians provide intense pulse light treatments, Fraxel treatments, microdermabrasion treatments, and they offer have a wealth of advice for patients with their daily concerns regarding other products. Plastic in Hand and Skin Solutions are a team, and we're constantly bringing patients over here to get the advice of our estheticians for different modalities, and at the same time the estheticians will come to us for advice as to different modalities. And it really has been a very cooperative effort between the estheticians and the surgeons, and the patients tend to enjoy it very much, and they do get the best care.
As the lead esthetician here at Skin Solutions, I feel the best starting point is to come in for a complimentary consultation. At that consultation, we will cleanse your skin with the Clarisonic cleansing system, do a thorough examination, and come up with a treatment plan that's best for you. Microdermabrasion has changed over the years. We used to have crystals that abraded your skin, and now we have fine wands and infusions that retexturize your skin, refine your pores, soften fine lines, and just stimulate some collagen. The way that we do this is we gently cleanse your skin, retone your skin, and then we use a wand that has the tips of brushes that gently mechanically exfoliates the outer dead surface layer of your skin. That is then followed by an infusion that feeds and nourishes or corrects your skin.
So if someone is interested in getting the process started, what's the best approach?
One of the nice new programs we've established is something called Ask Karen. So either through our phone number or more commonly through our website, plasticinhand.com, you can contact Karen Albert with any questions you might have, whether or not surgery might be appropriate for you, whether or not your first initial consultation might be with Skin Solution, any questions you might have. So for many patients, that's probably the easiest and most appropriate entry point.
Well, thank you very much for talking with me today. There is no better time than the present to look and feel your best. So go ahead and ask Karen at plasticinhand.com.